Meaning of dewberry.
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 Dewberry. Dewberry is a type of small, trailing, fruit-producing plant that belongs to the rose family. The plant's fruit is a tasty, dark red, edible berry that resembles a blackberry but is slightly smaller and sweeter. Dewberries are typically found growing in the wild along hedgerows, brambles, and other areas with thick undergrowth. They are enjoyed both fresh and in jams, jellies, juices, and other culinary treats. Overall, dewberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that make a fantastic addition to any diet.